am eating breakfast.
I am eating breakfast.
I am reading a book.
I am reading a book.
I am playing with toys.
I am playing with toys.
I am riding a bike.
I am riding a bike.
I am listening to music.
I am listening to music.
I am singing a song.
I am singing a song.
I am dancing with friends.
I am dancing with friends.
I am playing video games.
I am playing video games.
I am learning new things.
I am learning new things.
I am wearing a shirt.
I am wearing a shirt.
I am eating a sandwich.
I am eating a sandwich.
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is blue.
My name is Ollie.
My name is Ollie.
I am 8 years old.
I am 8 years old.
My favorite animal is a cat.
My favorite animal is a cat.
I like to drink water.
I like to drink water.
My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is pizza.
I like to play soccer.
I like to play soccer.
My favorite subject is math.
My favorite subject is math.
I like to draw pictures.
I like to draw pictures.
I like to watch TV.
I like to watch TV.
My favorite sport is cricket.
My favorite sport is cricket.
I like to go on trips.
I like to go on trips.
My favorite thing to do is play.
My favorite thing to do is play.
My favorite type of music is pop.
My favorite type of music is pop.